Look at how much this tint has faded. It had a sticker right here that was covering the tint, and when they removed that, all the tint around it had faded, and that stayed the same since it was protected from the sun. Let's get all this stuff removed. Got my steamer going. These are leaving a ton of glue regardless. Sometimes you can get lucky, and if you steam it for long enough, it'll come off clean with no glue. This one's giving me problems either way, so I'm just gonna loosen it up with the steamer so it gives me less issues peeling off and it won't rip, but I am just gonna go ahead and rush it since it's leaving glue anyway. There we go. Gonna get this window pattern cut out. Wipe down the window real quick so it's not so any dirt or anything on the window won't scratch up my tint when I'm making my cutout on it. I'm not sure if you guys can hear that, but this car won't shut up. Okay, get rid of some of this excess. Finger in here, stick my blade in, or knife in, blade out 1 notch, go down the seal. Shift it forward. These are my cleaning squeegees so I don't mess these up. Let's see, scrub pad doesn't do much. Yeah, I think this is gonna be all scraper, guys. I always prep it twice when I have removals. Dang, that seal is tight. So I'm going to scrub, feel, I'm feeling adhesive. Make sure there's nothing in these seals. Scrape down them. Did not let me go up inside that seal for some reason. Grabs onto my tri-edge super hard. And typically I tape up these seals. I want to show you guys, even with a 10-year-old car, with a nasty removal, and being in a rush, with the right technique, you will have no issues. And I typically like using a scraper holder. It's definitely a lot more comfortable, but you can definitely accidentally use too much pressure with a scraper holder. When you have it like this, you're somewhat being more gentle and just letting the scraper do the work. Or if you have a scraper holder, you can kind of push too hard. Give it a quick feel. Feels clean to me. Get this all squeegeed off and get this window installed. One final squeegee. Pump this up. Flush down these sides. Golly. That really grabs onto my tri-edge. And I'll be honest with you guys, I don't hand cut anymore. I hardly ever snap shrink like that, or pocket shrink, whatever you want to call it. Most of this is just to show you guys. So these are all things I can do, not things that I do a whole lot of anymore. So me not even being the best or even super good at this sort of thing, careful, right steps, do the right thing, you will be just fine. Because even though somebody else could be better than you, they might be a little more lazy than you. See how this turns out. I just grabbed the edge with the tips of my corners because it'll be tucked in the seal. So if there's any dirt there, it'll be nice and hidden. Sneak that bottom front edge in, slide it down. Now it's down, slide it forward. After it's forward, get this back corner in, just like that. Seems like it's kind of packing up on me. Gonna give it some more. Oh yeah, this is grabbing hard. It's stuck on something. There we go. Yeah, these edges seem to be tight, it looks like. Covered. Just go ahead and squeeze this out. It's on the outside. Make sure my top edge isn't over. Roll this up.